Now proceed to the
Lobby.
gentlemen. Our very warm welcome to everyone and your this auspicious occasion and graduation day ceremony of School Kunyang, Singapore. Today we gather here to celebrate the movement and success of our bright young minds. You have worked tirelessly to reach this significant milestone in their lives. It is indeed momentous day for our graduates, their families, and our esteemed faculty. Before we proceed further, let us take a moment to acknowledge and express our gratitude to the Almighty. Go! Flora, saan? Flora, mi. Ma'am! Asa naman na-video?
Nasa sa likod, nasa sa likod.
Ayawan.
Boss,
Di! Pag humanag iyo, no? Pag humanag
ikat ra na ikat. Na, diri naka Flora, diri naka. Oh. To receive the award. Wala pa. To receive the award, let us call of Flora's parent diri sa kadi. Ana. To receive the award. Sige na, Rose.
Uy, diploma naman.
To receive the awards,
Let us call.
let us call her parents and William Monte. Then, and proceed to her achievement and diploma and more.
January 3 ba?
Okay, ayaw na ko tayo.
Pagkain naman dyan ka.
Gitarungan ko yan. May klaro ng video na eh.
Ay, baka mo.
When our achievement, ang pagtatapos ni Flora bilang kunyang Singapore Institute
For 4 years.
are ended. Now proceed to the
Lobby.
now proceed to her special skills.
Most obedient. Most kasingira of the year. Most cleaners. Most Darna.